Hello, guys. This is my YouTube channel in which I will teach you SQL. So, what is SQL? I will tell you. Before that, I want to tell you that SQL is very important for your data analyst interview or or any interview. Like from my experience, I can tell you that in my internship, like in Airbus or UBS, they ask SQL question, and their SQL questions is very easy, but you should know what is SQL and how and practice it so that you can attempt it attempt to attempt to those questions also. So what is SQL? SQL is a sequence query language in which you will, like, in Hindi I will tell you that SQL, like, if you have a database, like, and you can query that database with the help of the language, that is a sequence query language. And now I will tell you what is database. Database is a collection of data. So there are two types of database. First is relational database, second is non-relational database. In first database is stored in tables, and in that I like they were related. For example, I take the items, number of items and price. The number of items is obviously is dependable. If the number of items increase, then the price will also increase. So that type of database is a relational database. So I want to tell that for that database management system program we used MySQL, and in this channel I will tell you, teach you SQL in MySQL program. Non-relational database are not related to each other. The database that we have, it they don't related to each other, and that for that type of database we use MongoDB, in which the database is stored. So, what is the SQL and what SQL do? I will tell you that in SQL we can execute, we can retrieve, we can insert any data, we can update any data, we can delete any data, we can create a new database, we can create a new table, we can store those database, we can do anything with that database with the help of SQL. For example, I have a number of grocery items and their price, and now I wanted to know that what is the price of that Sunsilk shampoo in those database. So for that I will write the code of SQL, and I will get the price of that Sunsilk that present on that database. So it is very easy to find out the price of that shampoo. For that we don't want to scroll it, we don't want to search it, we cannot do it this manually, because the database is very too much, like in 2 lakh, in 3 lakhs. So the manually is very takes so much time, but with the help of SQL we can do it in a few minutes. So it is very important that you learn SQL very thoroughly. So the definition you should learn that SQL is a standard language for accessing and manipulating databases. SQL, what is SQL? The full form of SQL you should also know. It is a sequence query language. Third, that this SQL lets you access and manipulate database. That I tell you. Now I will tell you how to install MySQL. So for that, you should go in this MySQL community downloads. In that you should go on MySQL community server. Like my laptop have Windows, so I will click on Windows. If you have a Mac, then install in that. So this web will go open, and now you will click on no thanks, just start my download, and the download will be started like then this. So after that you have and something open, in that you should enter your password. That password you should learn, because if you forgot that password you cannot open that location server, and you should reinstall all the SQL, MySQL. So please remember those password. After that you download MySQL community downloads. Then you should go on MySQL workbench. You should download it. Okay. Download from it. then go to no thanks, just start my download and download it. After that you will open with this type of desktop. Like I created local instance. You can create so many data workspace, so that you can do. Here you have so many things like management, and here you will do the SQL query, and these things you can do. In this YouTube video, I will tell you thoroughly about the SQL, and also I will tell you what is SQL, how to use, and what type of question asked in interview. Also, I will tell you, and I will. You should practice those questions in from Hacker Rank. They have three steps like easy, medium, and high. So do practice with that. I will practice, or I will also practice with you in this YouTube channel, and all the materials will also will be there. But like other video channel, I will not put it on the description, but I will practice with you in this YouTube channel, and I will do it in a very good manner, and I will teach you whole SQL, like what the questions they ask in internship or in any interview panel. So thank you for, and be connected with me for more YouTube videos, and I will in next video I will tell you about the SQL and how to do query. Thank you, and this is a very short video for this introduction. Bye bye. If you like the video, then subscribe me and like me. Thank you.